What if I told you that in 2026, you can work full-time, avoid luxury spending, do everything right, and still feel like you're going broke? This isn't about laziness. It's not about coffee or avocado toast. It's about a system that quietly shifted, while most people weren't looking. And tonight, we're breaking down the harsh economic truth behind why normal Americans are falling behind. Stay until the end, because the last reason is the one almost nobody is talking about. Let's start with the obvious. Prices. Inflation may have slowed compared to the peak years, but here's the problem. Prices never went back down. Groceries cost more. Car insurance is higher. Rent is higher. Utilities are up. And wages. They didn't rise at the same speed. So even if things feel stable now, the damage is already locked in. If your monthly expenses increased by just $400, that's nearly $5,000 per year. For many households, that's the difference between saving and surviving. Now let's talk about debt. Credit card balances are hitting record levels. And interest rates. Many are above 20%. That means if you carry a balance, you're not just paying for what you bought. You're paying interest on top of it. Every month. Car loans are higher than ever. Student loans resumed. Buy now pay later services make spending feel painless. But painless now becomes painful later. And that's how normal families get trapped. Housing used to be the American dream. Now it's the American pressure. Mortgage rates rose sharply. Home prices stayed high. So new buyers face high prices and high borrowing costs. Renters aren't safe either. Rental demand surged. Supply didn't keep up. For many families, housing now eats up 40 to 50% of their income. When one category takes half your paycheck, everything else becomes fragile. You'll hear headlines saying the economy is resilient. Jobs look stable. Markets look strong. But here's what headlines don't show you. Millions are working side hustles just to stay afloat. Full-time jobs are less secure. Benefits are shrinking. Healthcare costs continue to rise. On paper, things look fine. In real life, people are stressed. One emergency. One layoff. One medical bill. That's all it takes. And then there's social pressure. Social media makes it look like everyone is winning. New cars. Luxury vacations. Upgraded lifestyles. But many of those lifestyles are financed with debt. Subscription services. Small upgrades. Constant convenience spending. Each one feels harmless. But together, they drain your future. Here's the truth most people don't say out loud. The system rewards asset owners more than wage earners. If you own appreciating assets, you likely benefited. If you rely only on your paycheck, you likely fell behind. The gap is widening. And unless people adapt, increase skills, eliminate high-interest debt, and build assets, the pressure will continue. This isn't fear. It's awareness. And awareness is power. If this opened your eyes, don't scroll away. Like this video so more people can see it. Comment below, are you feeling this pressure in 2026? And subscribe for real, honest breakdowns about money, the economy, and how to stay ahead instead of falling behind. Because in this economy, awareness isn't optional. It's survival.